red, so shiny and bright. Crunch, crunch, munch, they're a tasty bite. Bananas are yellow, soft and sweet. Peel them open, it's a yummy treat. Fruits, fruits, yummy treats. So many flavors, so many sweets. Fruits, fruits, good to eat. Healthy and yummy, can't be beat. Oranges are juicy, squeeze them tight. All that vitamin C feels just right. Grapes are small, round and fun. Pop them in your mouth, one by one. Fruits, fruits, yummy treats. So many flavors.